Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on Assistive Touch in your iPhone. So open up the Settings app, then tap on Search and search for Assistive, and you'll see Assistive Touch. Now on the older iOS firmwares it may be a little bit lower here. Tap on Assistive Touch, tap on it one more time, tap on the toggle to turn this guy on. So from here you have the custom actions, so single tap you can set this to a level you would like. Now you also have customized top level menu here where you can customize this, remove icons, add, and tap on each icon to change. If you play around with these custom actions here, you do need to make sure that customize top level menu is selected. Okay, so I'm going to go here, I'm going to tap on the reset, and you can see single tap must be set to open menu if you want this area here. But if you don't care about this top menu, then you can just change these options. Let's say you just want the tap to activate the camera, then there you go. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.